Let's go over some questions on sets. Let U, which is from negative 7 to 10, be the universal set, and let A from negative 2 to 8, B from 1 to 8, and C from negative 7 to 6 be subsets of the universal set. Now I want to find A intersection B minus C. So A intersection B minus C can also be written as A intersection, and then the B minus C is the same as B intersection C complement. So I'm going to use a number line to be able to work out this. So I'm first going to start with this part. There I'll get B starting from 1 up to 8. And we can see that B 1 and 8 are both included in the set because we've got closed intervals there. Okay, so this is set B. And then now we want C complement. So let's look at C itself. C is from negative 7 to 6. We are not including negative 7 and we are not including 6. So I'm just going to put those. Negative 7 up to 6. This is C. So if we want to look at C complement, we are going to start from 6 itself. So since C is from this region up to here, then C complement 6 is not in C, so it is going to be outside C. We are going to shade there. And then negative 7 is not in C, so it will be outside C. I'm also going to shade at this point. So I'll be going in this region to where the universal set is going to end. So the universal set going this side ends up to 10. And we are also including 10. So I'm going to include 10 there because it is part of the universal set. That's C complement. But going in this direction, we can see that negative 7, the universal set only ends up to negative 7, we can see there. So we can't put any arrow going in any direction. It will just be a dot here. This is C complement. That is because negative 7 is in the universal set, but negative 7 is not in the set C. Therefore, it is going to be outside C. Okay. So we have seen what C complement is. So what we are doing is B intersection C complement. Now the C complement, where is it intersecting with the set B? So their intersection is just this region here. So that is between 6 and 8. That is where the two sets are intersecting. Well, we can see that 6 is in C complement, 6 is also in B. So 6 is going to be included in their intersection. And then 8 is in B. It is also in B complement. So it is also going to be included. So like that. So this is B intersection C complement. I'm going to write another number line where I'm going to put that from 6 up to 8. This is B minus C, which is also B intersection C complement. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is now to put A on the number line. A is starting from negative 2 up to 8. And we are not including any of these. Now, we want to take the intersection of A and B minus C. Now, where are these two sets intersecting? So we can clearly see that they are intersecting here. Therefore, the answer is going to be, now look, 6 is in A, 6 is also in B minus C. So it is going to be included in the intersection. But if you check 8, 8 is not in A, but it is in B minus C. So it will not be included in the intersection because it's not in A. So it will be open there. So that is going to be the answer. So if you close, then you are going to get it wrong because it's not included. So that is for the first part. And then we want to look at C complement. So just go on our set. The first thing that we should be able to put is the universal set. The universal set is starting from negative 7 up to 10. Okay, and then now we look at the set C. The set C starting from negative 7 up to 6. And we can see that for the set C, we are not including negative 7 and we are not including 6. That means C complement, we are going to include 6 going in this direction up to 10. Well, we can see that negative 7 is not in C. But negative 7, if you check, is part of the universal set. So it will be outside C. Since it is not in C, therefore it's going to be outside C. Therefore, the answer for C complement is, we have first negative 7. Negative 7 is an element, it's not a range, so we're going to use curly brackets. And then union, this is also C complement, but this one is a range, so we are going to use interval brackets, that is from 6 up to 10. So this is C complement. And then we are talking of A union C complement. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get a set A. The set A starting from negative 2 up to 8. We're not including negative 2, we're not including 8. And then I'm going to get the set C, that is from negative 7 up to 6. And also we are not including negative 7, we're not including 6. Now we want the union of these two sets. So the union is just everything. We combine everything. We combine the set A and the set C. So we see that the answers are going to be what? Between negative 7 and 8. We are not including negative 7, you can see, because negative 7 is not part of this set C. And we are not including 8 because it's not part of the set A. So this is A union C. But we are interested in A union C complement. So we're going to start from just the 8. We are going to include 8 up to where the universal set ends. The universal set ends at what? At 10. And at 10, you see that 10 is part of the universal set, so it will be included in the complement. And then also negative 7 is part of the universal set, so it will be included in the complement because it's not part of A union C. It will be part of A union C complement. Therefore, A union C complement is going to be negative 7 and then union 8 to 10, like that. So that is going to be it.